A man was stopped for cutting through a parking lot to avoid a red light, but instead of pulling over, he took off. Officers chased him for nearly 3 minutes before he finally bailed and ran.
Bail out, Ridgewood and Taylor. Hey, Rory, get back, please! Hey, police, show me your hands! Show me your hands! He's running westbound! Chase food store! Get on the ground! There's a dog coming! There's a dog coming! You're gonna get bit! CJ's. Ground, bro! Get on the phone. Turn around. Come out.
Anybody with the car?
Taylor, Ridgewood, in the parking lot right behind my patrol car.
Taylor and Ridgewood in the parking lot behind the patrol car.
Heavy weapons on you, man.
Anybody close to Taylor and Ridgewood secure my title for me?
5-6. Can somebody go to Taylor and Ridgewood and secure my patrol car?
Yeah, close the one at North and Ridge. That was mine, thank you.
Put your chest against the car.
4 2 Taylor and Ridgewood.
There we go, got some drugs here. Spread your feet.
Anybody got gloves? Any injuries to you as a suspect?
Nope, we're there, Slosh.
A little bit.
What's injured? Your pride?
My chest and my leg.
Oh, that's because he ran from the cops. Do you need medical attention? Nope.
I was gonna get close, but I didn't feel like going to hit me. There's the only one.
Nobody should be going out there, or you got him.
The only one.
Nobody should be running code still.
I got his ID already.
Never.
You get an ID on you anywhere?
Never. 4-4 Echo uniform, you put in the channel. Forward, traffic clear 214 hours. 4-4 Echo uniform, November. Somebody go down to the 200 block of Madison, see if there's any damage to what he did. 70, single occupant, right? Got a female person coming down on the ground. Looks like probably a...
Someone I could tell, single occupant. More drugs.
70, single occupant, right? Got a female person on the ground.
You anything else on you, boss? You know, if you get out to the jail, it's an additional charge versus what it's on you.
No.
All right, man. All right. I want to check over by Taylor. He's got a car close by. Did he jump that fence? Do you mind if I throw him in there for you? Drop anything over the other side of the fence.
One time on Taylor, just east of Ridgewood.
Yeah.
Good job, you. And 400 well, we have you here. I'll meet you one time for a walkout.
Probably have to sit back.
Okay. All right. Well, I thought I had the other ones, but I guess I don't. We're using what we got. Yeah, use what we got, man.
We don't got.
Yeah.
Just about every
It's like a gift that just keeps on giving. This car. Yeah.
Here's probably his name.
Oh, we already have his name. He had an ID on him. Yeah. Yeah, bro. I watched him on Kingston and Seagrave. He thought I'd left. He jumped in the car and he peeled off northbound on Kingston or westbound on Kingston. Shot right south or northbound on Seagrave. Came up Mason. I caught him come back out on Ridgewood. He cut through the AutoZone parking lot. I was like, that. And then he just from there. I'm waiting on the CH to come back. Anybody run the gun?
I think so. Marquez ran it, no record. You're
Alright. That's regular aspirin. Yeah. I gotta get it all weighed and tested and tagged. I'm gonna steal Matt to help me do all that while I type. Plus, I'm pretty sure he's a convicted felon, so that's even better on the gun. Did it not come back? It's a good little find there, buddy. Yeah? Yeah. Temple. Do you mind holding this one? Yeah. I gotta get this shit dropped in somewhere.
I got you.
That's it. There's your narcotics on this side, right? I'm coming over here now to grab that.
There's a little baggie with two little, yeah, right there. It looks like it's got something.
Yeah.
I don't want it.
Who did you sleep on it?
Me, LT.
And you caught him? My guy.
He doesn't lose.
Matt was right there. Matt was right there with it the whole time.
I was
He
trying.
was with me. It was me and him. He caught the bailout, and I shot up past, hoping he would, because he jumped that fence there, and I was hoping he'd come up the other road, but he bailed straight towards Ridgewood, and then we chased him all the way down Ridgewood towards Connecticut, and then a patrol car lit up, and he just stopped. He was trying to dump his dope, so I'm probably going to hit him with destruction of evidence as well, because he dumped a good amount of his dope out before we were able to get it. So I'm going to tag him with destruction as well.
Way the road.
You said, way the road.
I don't know if that bag got searched. I thought
Is that more breakfast?
I believe so.
there's one down there on the bottom, or on the floor. It looks
Yeah,
like
it's
you
more
grabbed
straws, needles,
a little spoon.
little spoon. That's got to go. Foil, nothing on it.
I was just thinking if he's selling, I wonder if he's selling and making these in the car. Selling and making these in the car? Because he's got just a collection of breakfast. Yeah, exactly.
Unless they want. Maybe he had somebody kill him in the car with him. Following him first minute.
Is that a scale?
Yeah.
Did we find any baggies?
I think there was two scales. Does anybody here have Yeah. I'll have you plug mine in and see if my video call something, but I didn't see something. Go in my
I didn't see a second person at all.
go in my truck towards stuff in the side. We'll go right to your panel. 605. See the one that's right here? Behind Sarge? It's the next one. Yeah. Unlock it. I'll unlock it.
He's got everything but the skin top on. Now they don't put that on.
I guess he might have thought he was fast, but he really wasn't that fast.
Here's your gun.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the Bulldog show.
What fell off?
A crack butt. Another one.
Good.
Well, good job. You got every crack pipe in the city off the street.
I'm on that.
Literally. What are the pills?
10-4. He's going to have probably about 4 or 5 stop sign violations on top of the initial traffic citation.
There's two guys swinging.
Get that cell phone or something.
I threw it right back in the car. I don't want it.
Oh.
Just in case all the crack is smoking and among
I
other
am.
things got you stopped up.